So let's take up some of the other human tendencies that all humans possess that support their survival and self-construction. So the first one is actually a group of tendencies that I've kind of put together because they relate to one another. We're going to talk about the tendency that humans have toward work, toward movement or activity, and toward manipulation, the use of their hands. And if we think back again to early humans and think about their need for survival, they had to work. They had to move their bodies, use their hands to meet their fundamental needs. In fact, what we do know about early humans comes from what has been left behind, that they've used their hands to create something. We see some of the tools that they left behind. So we know that humans have been driven to work and to use their hands. The same is true for children. Young children are trying to develop physical independence. So we see from the very beginning of life this tendency toward movement and refinement of movement and the work that goes along with that. Young children need to learn how to control their bodies. And so a lot of the work under the age of 6 is to build those skills. And the activities and the works then available in the Children's House continue to support the development of the use of the body, the hands, and the ability to work. In the elementary, a lot of that physical movement is pretty well established, but children are still driven to move and work. This tendency is within all of us, right? And the elementary child wants to work. And a lot of the work that we do in the elementary classroom contains opportunities for movement. We have that. We're really trying to serve that tendency for movement, even in the elementary children who are pretty skilled at a lot of their movement, but they need opportunity to refine and practice. They need opportunity to work, which means we leave them free in the environment so that they can, work as they wish, rather than being, having to wait for an adult to tell them what to do. The children can respond to this tendency for work by choosing what is appealing to them. Montessori saw the importance of the work of the hand. She saw a direct connection between that work and the building of the brain, which, is now increasingly supported by research in neuroscience. So we provide at all age levels an opportunity for ample manipulation, ample work of the hand, because it's that work of the hand that's going to help build children's minds